Hi everyone, welcome to another video. For those that have been following my last couple of videos, you'll see that I bought, unboxed and installed the COBB SF Cold Air Intake System, and today I'm going for a bit of a test drive just to see what it sounds like inside the cabin. So in addition to the COBB SF Cold Air Intake, I've also got a aftermarket dump pipe. It's a 3-inch dump pipe. So right now I'm in third. I'm about to change the third gear. A little bit slow. Got a learner driver on the left as well. I just got to take it easy. I'm approaching the next set of lights. I'll probably pause the video and then wait until I've got no other cars, no other sports cars next to me.